In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to insert a table in Microsoft Word. Tables are an essential tool for organizing and presenting data in a structured manner. You can easily arrange information, create neat columns and rows, and improve the overall readability of your Word document. There are multiple ways to insert a table in Microsoft Word 365. Let's explore each method along with its advantages. The first method is to insert a table from the ribbon. This method allows you to visually select the number of rows and columns, making it easy to customize the table size. Start by placing the cursor at the location where you want the table to be inserted. Navigate to the Insert tab in the ribbon, and in the Tables group, click on the Table button. A drop-down menu will appear. Move your cursor over the grid to select the number of rows and columns for your table. Once you position the cursor on the desired number of columns and rows, left-click to insert the table. The grid provides a maximum size of 8 rows and 10 columns. If you want to insert, for example, a table with 10 rows and 12 columns, though, you can use the second method. This method uses the Insert Table dialog box. It provides precise control over the table's dimensions and allows you to set other options like auto-fit behavior and style during the insertion process. Place the cursor at the location where you want the table to be inserted. Navigate to the Insert tab in the ribbon. Click on the Table button. From the drop-down menu, select the Insert Table button. In the dialog box, enter the number of rows and columns for your table by clicking the up and down arrows. Adjust other settings like auto-fit behavior and table style. Click the OK button to insert the table. The third method of inserting a table in Word is drawing a table. This table gives you the flexibility to create tables with custom shapes and sizes, ideal for specific layout requirements. Place the cursor where you want to insert your table. Navigate to the Insert tab in the ribbon at the top of the window. Click on the Table button. From the drop-down menu, select Draw Table. The cursor will change to a pencil. Click and drag to draw the outline of your table, and then release the mouse button to create the table. Remember, regardless of the method you choose, you can always adjust the table structure, formatting, and content after insertion by using the various table tools available in Microsoft Word 365. And that's it! You have now learned multiple ways to insert tables in Microsoft Word 365 for Windows. Enjoy creating organized and visually appealing documents with tables. If you found this tutorial helpful, reward us with a like. Is this your first time on our YouTube channel? We would be more than grateful to welcome you to our community, so hit the subscribe button to enjoy more of our videos and learn how to master Word. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.